Om Shanti 16182 Avyakt Babdada Madhuban. In order to make the sound, my Baba has come, spread everywhere. Let your angelic form be seen everywhere. Where has Babdada come today, and whom has he come to meet? Do you know this? Today, God has come to the godly friend. So, when friends meet, what do they do amongst themselves? They sing, laugh, eat, and entertain themselves. So, today, Bap Dada has not come to give you knowledge, but to celebrate a meeting. Bap Dada is seeing how such a variety of godly friends have arrived here from so far away. You are such good friends that having made God your one friend, you have just the one godly friend and none other. Therefore, Bap Dada is seeing the picture of each of you and your own individual friendship. When you have an internal friendship with someone, then whatever thoughts you have in your heart, you share those thoughts with your friend. So you have made God such a friend. Have you not? You have forged a relationship of imperishable love, have you not? It isn't a relationship that is sometimes forged and at other times broken, is it? What do you think? Is it an internal friendship? Throughout the whole cycle, will you ever found such a father again, such a friend, or whatever you call him? Will you find anyone who fulfills all relationships with you? You have been around the whole cycle, and yet did you find any way? I was the father who came and found his friends, those with whom he has all relationships. You were unable to find him. Do you very clearly know the basis or the method to forge all relationships with the one eternally? Always remember one thing, my Baba. By saying mine, mine, you become a soul with all rights. Is it difficult? Since the father has said, my child, it is difficult for a child to say my Baba. This word mine is the basis of forging an unbreakable relationship for 21 births. Have you adopted such an easy method? You are experienced in this, are you not? Today, Bap Dada is seeing how so many new children has arrived here to claim their right of every cycle and are claiming their right. Therefore, Bap Dada is very pleased to see you children who have claimed your rights. Japanese dolls, are you all right? You are looking at Baba with a lot of love. Look, even though you are behind the veil of a different country and religion, Bap Dada has made you children belong to him. So, what song do you Japanese dolls sing? My Baba, each of you is lovelier and then the next. In the same way, look how lovely the children from France are. Even though you don't understand the language, you understand the father. All the groups from Brazil, Mexico are very good. This time, groups from far away have made a lot of effort to arrive here. Those from London, Germany, and America have been coming here from the start. Bap Dada is extremely pleased to see the beautiful bouquets that have come from all the new places. What land is the furthest away? Param Dham. You are right. However, although it is the furthest away, are you able to reach there in a second or does it take longer? Those from Hong Kong have also arrived here. You are the very beautiful flowers in God's bouquet. You experience yourselves to be flowers of this bouquet. Do you not? Acha, all the children that have come from all the different countries are very much loved. Bab Dada is not going to mention the names of all the countries. You have come to celebrate a meeting with Bab Dada. Bab Dada is looking at all the children and singing the song of each child's specialty. Those from Barbados are also very happy. The mothers from Trinidad are very good. They look as though they dance a great deal. They dance a lot in happiness. The group of Kumaris from Mauritius is also very good. Each Kumari is more elevated than 100 Brahmins. Even if 4 Kumaris come, that is equivalent to 400 Brahmins. You are perhaps thinking that your group is very small, but 400 Brahmins are merged in you. You are not a small group. Australia and London are racing one another, and Germany is the beloved one in between. Those from Dubai are also equivalent to hundreds of thousands. Those from Nairobi, Kenya have performed the most wonders. Nairobi has created a mini Pandav Bhavan that no one else has yet created. You have created a good White House. There are also many branches in Germany. America too has many branches. The whole of Europe is making good effort and growing like London and Australia. What are those in America doing? America has been very clever in placing the army of Shaktis and Pandavas in every corner of America. You have now surrounded the whole of America. Then, when the time comes, there will be victory of the lighthouse over the White House. America will be the instrument for the flames of destruction. For the task of establishment, it will be the Pandav government, the Pandav army that will be the instrument. So you are ready in this way, are you not? Yes. Should Baba issue the order? What will the Japanese doll do? You will present Bab Dada with the biggest and most beautiful bouquet, will you not? What will those from Germany do? Those from Germany will spread such light that even the blind receive sight with the atomic bombs and bombs of silence power. What will those from Dubai do? Brahmins who are hidden away somewhere will definitely reveal their splendor. Even though they may be of a different religion, Brahmin souls cannot remain hidden. Therefore, they will also come with a big group. They are being prepared secretly and then they will emerge. What are these children from the away, Brazil and Mexico, thinking? We will spread such a loud sound from far away that it will reach Kumbhakaran in Bharat directly. Guyana is the foundation of America. No one else has as yet achieved what Guyana has achieved. You were told the specialty of the souls from Guyana. They are higher quality souls even though they are VIPs. A Trimurti has come from Canada. The whole world is merged in the Trimurti. Canada will now move forward in the phase. From being incognito, they will be revealed. You will claim a good number. Those from Malaysia have made good effort. Don't think you have come alone. All the souls there are merged in you. Bab Dada is not seeing you alone, but he is also seeing a scene from a distance of all the close and loving souls that are merged in you. You too can hear the sound of those souls, can you not? Souls who are instruments from New Zealand are powerful. This is why Bab Dada's flower garden will constantly in bloom. The place is small, but the service is big. Australia and London have many branches. There will be growth in Poland too. A whole deep mala will be created from one ignited lamp. At the moment, Bab Dada is able to mention the names of all of you. But when you come here next year, there will have such an expansion that it will be difficult to mention each one's name. Now, people climb high in the mosques and temples and sing songs. In the mosque, they cry out in the name of Allah. In the churches, they cry out in the name of God. Those in the temples tell you to go there. However, the time will come when the sound from the all temples, mosques, gurudwaras, and churches all together will be, "Our Father has come." Then they will look for you angels to ask you where the angels have gone. They will see angels and only angels everywhere. Angels will spread all over the world just like clouds spread everywhere. Everyone's vision will be on you, angels and the Father. Have you reached such a stage where you are able to grant a vision of an angel? Even though there may be a little fluctuation now, when the time comes, all of that will end because you are the ones who are predestined to be angels every cycle. Who else apart from you is this? Therefore, the small part of fluctuating that all of you perform every now and then will soon come to an end. Then the sound that emerges from the mouth of you all will be, Maya has gone and we have become the conquerors of Maya. The time is coming, Acha. Today we are all going to have a picnic. In today's picnic, Bab Dada will ask everyone for a gift. Are you ready to give it? Is it a gift of just two words, to remain constantly clear and careful? The result of this will be that you will become cheerful because you are not clear, you are not always constant and stable. And this is why there is depression, which you repeatedly speak about. Therefore, no matter what happens, clear it with Baba, with yourself, and with the instrument souls. Don't keep it inside you. Don't ask why or what, but just give Bab Dada the gift of two words and claim from Bab Dada the gift of the Trimurti point. Don't lose your gift. Constantly keep this gift in the treasure store of your intellect. Keep it there permanently. Do you agree to do this? Giving and receiving. Acha, whenever anything happens, apply this tilak and you will always remain safe. Do you know how to apply a tilak? Om Shanti.